Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's tired of struggling with those tricky spots between your teeth that a regular toothbrush just can't reach, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about a product designed to make your oral care routine easier, DenTek Easy Brush Advanced Clean Interdental Cleaners. These little tools promise to make cleaning between teeth and around dental appliances a breeze. But do they really live up to the hype? Let's dive into it. And hey, if you're loving this review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review from Beautyistic. So what exactly are DenTek Easy Brush Advanced Clean Interdental Cleaners? These are interdental brushes designed to clean those tight spaces between your teeth, which are often hard to reach with a regular toothbrush. They come with tapered soft bristles that are gentle on your gums, but tough on food particles, plaque, and buildup. The key feature here is the flexible wire that allows the brush to bend and reach tricky spots, especially around braces or other dental work. Plus, they have an advanced fluoride coating and a refreshing Mouthwash Blast Mint flavor that adds a bit of zing to your brushing experience. Now, let's talk about how these actually perform in real life. Incorporating them into my routine was surprisingly easy. The handle is non-slip, so there's no awkward fumbling. I could feel the brush gently working through the spaces between my teeth without any discomfort. For someone like me who has tight spots in certain areas, these brushes were a game changer. They worked well on my regular teeth, but I also gave them a try around some of my dental appliances. The flexibility of the brush made it so much easier to clean in those hard-to-reach spots. One thing I really appreciated was the control the handle gives you. The brush itself is easy to maneuver, but the grip makes it comfortable to hold even when your hands are wet. It didn't feel flimsy, and the soft bristles were gentle on my gums, which is often a concern with other types of interdental brushes. As for the Mouthwash Blast Mint flavor, it's a nice touch. It leaves your mouth feeling fresh, but it's not overpowering. That said, while the DenTek Easy Brush works really well in cleaning, I did find that the bristles can wear out a bit faster than I would have liked, especially if you're using it multiple times a day. It's not a deal breaker, but something to consider if you're planning on using it long term. Additionally, I would have liked the brush to be available in more sizes for different levels of tightness between teeth. But for the price and convenience, these are minor drawbacks. So, when it comes to value for money, DenTek Easy Brush is reasonably priced for the convenience it offers. You're getting a pack of 6 with 16 brushes in each pack, which will last you a while. It's great for those who need that extra bit of help cleaning between teeth, or for anyone with braces or other dental appliances. The fluoride coating is a nice bonus, and the mint flavor makes your mouth feel fresh, which is a small but pleasant detail. Comparing it to other similar products on the market, DenTek holds its own. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles some high-end brushes do, but for everyday use, it does the job without breaking the bank. If you're looking for something with a little more luxury, there are other brushes with extra features, like ergonomic designs or longer-lasting bristles, but these come at a higher cost. In terms of build quality, the handle is durable and feels sturdy, while the bristles are soft but effective. The flexible wire adds to the overall sturdiness, even if it bends slightly during use, which is meant to be part of the design to reach those areas around dental work. As for longevity, the brushes will last you a while, but like I mentioned earlier, the bristles do tend to wear down with frequent use, so they won't last forever. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had a direct interaction with DenTek's team, but based on the reputation of the brand, I feel confident that they would respond quickly and effectively to any issues. They're known for offering solid customer service and resolving concerns efficiently. As for alternatives, if you're on a budget, there are plenty of other interdental brushes out there that offer similar benefits at a lower price. Some brands even offer multi-packs at a discount, so it's worth comparing if you're looking for something more cost-effective. However, if you value the fluoride coating and mint flavor, DenTek stands out as a solid option without being too expensive. To wrap it up, DenTek Easy Brush Advanced Clean Interdental Cleaners deliver exactly what they promise: a simple, effective way to clean those tricky spaces between your teeth and around dental appliances. While it may not be the most luxurious option on the market, it's definitely a great choice for anyone looking for something easy to use and reliable. The flexibility, the fluoride coating, and the fresh minty feel are all nice bonuses that make it a great addition to your oral care routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.